कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय भागदाय वै नम्रणेते ब्राह्मणाय सर्वादेवताः सर्वाविद्याय।
एक्सक्यूज मी, अरे आज తీసుకోండి फोटो।
Right side. Okay. What programs which will be in progress in the IFM will be visible, sir. And this is also written here. This registration also written here. Madam. Each professor will have an individual rooms like this, sir. Yes, madam. This is subscription by architect. Connectivity वगैरह के लिए. Yes, sir. All Wi-Fi, sir. Wi-Fi enabled and any kind of LAN connectivity is there. LAN is there, sir. LAN is there and Wi-Fi is there, sir. Yes, sir. Like this, sir. Can augment it, sir. Next day. No. In case if any requirement is there, you can just augment.
Provided a system inbuilt in the podium can be closed like this, and we have provided.
Yes.
So this inbuilt, sir, and we have provided Bose speakers, sir. All are international standards.
Sir, we have similar things, sir. 7 or 8 more of them. Actually, sir, it took 3 months only those grills, sir. You see, sir, AC grills at the top. So they have a different curvature and the same thing is matching like this. Just through keyboard.
सर लगे
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, they're all operated through remote, sir. Screen follow. Hey, Baba. Hey, remote. Screen remote.
All cordless mics. Please, కొంచెం cordless. Switch on all the mics, please. Video conference కొంచెం facility. Sir, this is the video conference. We are setting up the auditorium, sir. People sitting in the auditorium. And we are here. Yes.
Doctor, yes, sir. With greenery. Special glass has been designed. So rooms are both married as well as.
होल्डिंग
Sir, look here.
One suit, sir. Yes, sir. A small kitchen, sir. Inbuilt kitchen. Yes. And they can have a individual TV also. And a separate yes, sir, balcony. Sit out. Sit out.
I request all of you to please be seated. Our chief guest has just arrived. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. We also welcome officials from Railway Board, principal heads of departments, divisional railway managers of Hyderabad, Secunderabad and Vijayawada divisions, head of department. Indian Railways Institute of Finance, our chief guest, Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav ji sir, Chairman Railway Board. In tune with the significance of the project, the internationally acclaimed architect, Mr. Hafiz Contractor, was assigned the task of designing the project. Now, we present before the audience a walkthrough animation film on the architectural design conceived by Mr. Hafiz Contractor. Architect and executing agency has resulted in turning this visualization into a reality, and the end product is before your eyes. We present before you all a short walkthrough film of IRFIM after its completion. Yes, the project IRFIM reflects unstinted commitment, sincere efforts and technology inputs of Team RVNL. A host of challenges were encountered and overcome. These trials and tribulations have been captured in a short video film which we now present before the audience.
In this growing economical diversity, Indian Railways has emerged as the main vehicle for socio-economic development with a workforce of over 13.6 lakh employees. To handle this strata of finance and management, to find desirable manpower and train railway officers in financial management, Ministry of Railways is setting up an exclusive centralized training institute at Secunderabad. The Indian Railway Institute of Financial Management. Indian Railway Institute of Financial Management will play a key role to impart structured and professional training to finance and accounts officers of Indian Railways in contemporary areas and equip them with necessary skills to enable them face emerging challenges and tap opportunities for strengthening the finances of the organization. Indian Railway Institute of Financial Management project has been conceptualized and is being executed by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. With an estimate of 65 crore, the project is spread across a 14-acre land in the Maula Ali area, a suburb in the northeast part of Hyderabad city, well connected by rails and roads in the vicinity. This architectural marvel encourages the concept of environmental saving, sustainability, and resource efficiency from planning to design, construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and demolition. The project is planned to be a green building. The architect is Messrs. Hafiz Contractor and Messrs. BPR Infra Limited is the executing agency. The project has been conceptualized in an organic pattern, saving 90% of the 1200 deciduous trees and installing 3 solar trees, encouraging energy conservation and preservation of natural resources, keeping in view the natural topology and vegetation. The design is spread horizontally across the land, with floors spanning a maximum up to 2 floors. IRIFM is an institutional building which is divided into 10 functional blocks, all interconnected with flowing corridors, staircases, and ramps. With an interplay of built and natural environment, the structure allows adequate ventilation and natural sunlight inside the complex. The project has been designed for an overall capacity of 60 trainees and to facilitate the students for the best infrastructure. The complex has an auditorium with a 180-seat capacity, equipped with state-of-the-art ultra-modern audio and visual aids to facilitate learning outputs and organize national and international conferences and seminars for a universal learning. The academic block has 6 classrooms to nurture the trainees to understand the ecosystem of railways with management and financial courses, both periodical and short-term, for each of middle management and higher management officers of the Indian Railways Account Services. Indian Railways Institute of Financial Management is a Wi-Fi accommodated campus, providing online teaching tools along with an on-campus library, providing all required information accessible to the trainees. With a cafeteria and mess for a nourished mind, separate hostels for bachelor and married officers for a comfortable stay and relaxed body. Sports block with numerous sports activities and a gym with modern equipments encouraging physical fitness. IRIFM is providing infrastructure for a fulfilling development of the trainee officers. There is a warden residence, dormitories and rooms for guest faculties, further encouraging a socially interactive environment between all authorities and trainees on campus. Indian Railway Institute of Financial Management is set to emerge as an excellent platform to promote knowledge of high order and set the highest standards of financial practices, professionalism and creativity for the benefit of Indian Railways finances.
It's my proud privilege and honor to be present on this occasion, or present on this momentous occasion in history, when prestigious and coveted Indian Railway Account Services gets a training institute of its own. Indian Railway Account Services, along with 3 other services of Indian Railways, came into being in 1929 due to effort and initiative of revered statesman and freedom fighter, Honorable Shri Gopal Kishan Gokhale, who argued with Britishers and convinced them that Indians cannot be confined only to guards or drivers or lesser ranked jobs. So it's 90 years after establishment of IRAS, this institution is coming up. It's truly a proud moment for Indian Railway Account Service. I feel proud that RVNL could be a part of this momentous occasion in history of journey of IRAs. Laid the vision for NRTU to us was truly remarkable. I am sure IRIFEM will be immensely benefited by CRB sir's vision, as he will share his ideas with us. Already he has shared some ideas during the inspection itself. FC Madam is truly passionate about this institute, and rightly so. And Madam has visited this institute during construction period 3 to 4 times. All the nuances and the finer points associated with the facilities for the officers, of the training officers, the mess arrangements, the facilities in the rooms, in the hostel, the classrooms were flagged by FC ma'am. This was manifestation of her deep love for this institution. I am thankful to both CRB sir and FC ma'am for taking time out of their strenuous schedule and be present here.
It's my great privilege to present before you a brief overview of how RVNL has undertaken the project IRIFEM and successfully completed in spite of encountered many technical challenges. IRIFEM has been conceptualized and executed as a green building, providing the right stimulus for enabling the trainees to upgrade their skills in the most relaxed environment. The place where we have gathered today was a 14 acres of parcel of land with the dense vegetation offered by South Central Railways for construction of the IRIFEM. The first challenge we encountered was how to protect these trees. When we approached the architect, Mr. Hafiz, we expressed our concern, and he designed the entire project with minimal disturbance to the prevailing ecosystem. I am proud to share with all of you that we could retain 1200 trees out of 1400, which gave the utmost satisfaction to our team. During the campus tour, you must have noticed that all the RCC structures and the pathways are curved in nature. You will be pleasantly surprised to note that there are 237 inclined circular columns, but no two columns are similar in inclination. It was a great challenge, and great efforts have been put in designing and fabrication of the shuttering itself, apart from facing the difficulties in marking the inclination to match the support to beams. The facade of the building has been designed in a unique style, shape, making it to sync with the surrounding ecology. There were very few specialized agencies available in the entire India who could execute this intricate facade work. To quote an example, the roof of the auditorium in which we are sitting here imbibes a seamless aluminum metal roofing system which could be executed only by a handful of agencies throughout India. The aluminum composite panel used in the auditorium facade work has been exclusively manufactured to suit the architectural concept. Yet another great challenge was sourcing 25 sub-agencies which worked to construct the entire institute. It was a tough task to coordinate, integrate them to act as a one cohesive entity in commissioning of this ambitious project.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Sri Gajanan Malya ji, General Manager, South Central Railway, to address the...
And those who have built this great institute. It's been my privilege to be in South Central Railway and be witness to the inauguration of this institute, seeing the birth of a new institute on Indian Railways. We have had specialized institutes of Indian Railways all over, starting with probably IRIMI, IRISEN, IRISET. Then we had IRITEM, and now we have the Institute of Financial Management. Possibly one day we should look forward to Indian Railways Institute of Management with all the fields under one roof. Specialized institutes like this give specialized training to one and all, not only for the finance department, but I'm sure they will also teach the non-finance departments also something about finance, because otherwise we all do financial mismanagement. Secunderabad is lucky to be blessed with one more institute. In fact, this Maulali area, as some of you may be knowing, is an institutional area. We have system STTC for SNT trainees. We have ZRTA for traffic and running staff. We have RPF Training Institute, RPSF Training Institute, a TA camp, IRISET, one of the CTIs, and this is the second CTI which has come up. So it's a good place for learning. Apart from that, also Hyderabad, Secunderabad area has got so many well-known institutions like ISB, or the top-notch software companies. So one good thing about this place is the excellent climate and a meeting of the north and south. Language is not a problem here. Anybody can speak any language and get away with it. So and being in South Central Railway, we do get associated with whatever railway assets are built up here. So I must appreciate RVNL can say that we also build railways. So this is one of the classical examples of what high standards can achieve. Whatever we have seen today, the facade, the classrooms, the amenities, residential areas, the whole campus is really a dream come true. And I'm sure I envy the young professionals who are going to join now and enter this institute, and they will get best of the facilities which we probably could never dream of. So, I mean, probably we would also like to become probationers once again. With these few words, I wish this FC madam and team of finance managers of all the Indian Railways all the best in the times to come. May this institute prosper and the flag of Indian Railways keeps flying high. Thank you very much.
I'm really very, very privileged and very happy to be a part of this momentous occasion. I never thought that this inauguration time I would also be available here. So I'm really very, very happy that with such a distinguished guest on the dais and with distinguished invitees, I got this chance, and this is really a momentous occasion, and that this institute has come up so well. जो कहते हैं seeing is believing, मतलब यहाँ आके देखने से ऐसे ही पता चला कि कितना ये marvelous, it is really engineering marvel and architectural marvel. Now the problem will be that we have existing 6 institutes. When the professor happen to come here, they will compare this with our existing institutions. Here everything has been designed so well, and I'm really very, very happy, and I would like to congratulate RVNL for constructing such a beautiful building. And this, when I was watching that Hafiz contractor's animation, and then they played the actual thing, they were more or less similar. बिल्कुल पता नहीं चल रहा था कि after construction, so they have made an identical replica of whatever it was thought at the first place. It is a green building. So much of solar panels have been installed.
మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. Respected CRB sir, member SNT sir, General Manager South Central Railway, CMD RVNL, CRS South Central region, my dearly beloved colleagues from all over Indian Railways, South Central Railway especially, members of the electronic and print media, and my friends from RVNL. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Chairman Railway Board for making this happen. So when I was in school, I studied a concept about the momentum of inertia. So I do know that unless something gets pushed, it doesn't get done. And you have made it possible for this institute to be inaugurated today. And I want to assure you that we are not going to now stop at this. And by the end of this year, most probably, and we are really working toward that, we would start off with the first classes for our IRAS probationers of the 2016 and 17 batches. We are working very, very hard toward that, and we are working to make that happen, sir. This IRIFM is the dream of our super seniors who wanted to have an institute of excellence to give the best possible training to the railway finance and accounts managers. Railway has undergone a lot of change in the last few decades, and in order to cope with the changing environment, both social and economic, we need to equip ourselves with the best of the methods that are available to us. We hope to make this institute one of the world-class institutes, and while it is for the finance managers, we recognize that this training has to be imparted to our non-finance managers of the Indian Railways also, and we will surely be building in programs for, right sir, at the beginning by the CMD, that in 2016 this whole project was conceived. The best possible architect was brought on board. The designs were all in place, and the executing agency was selected with great care. And the people who supervised this execution, RVNL, they have delivered a product today of which all of us, each and every one of us, is proud of. I have been associated with Pradeep Gaurji from the time of my DRM-ship days in Trichurapalli. He had done a lot of doubling work for us. And I knew that if he said that he would complete a project by a certain time, he would certainly deliver it. He did so. Thank you so very much. I thank you all for your cooperation. I seek your blessings for this institute and the IRAS. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Beloved Chairman, Railway Board and Chief Guest of the function, Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav ji, to please address the gathering on this momentous occasion.
Good afternoon to all of you. Madam Manjula Rangarajan ji, Financial Commissioner, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, Member Signal and Telecom, General Manager South Central Railway, Mr. Gajanan Malia, Commissioner Railway Safety, Sri Ram Kripal ji, Chairman and Managing Director RVNL Pradeep Gaur ji, my colleagues who have joined from Railway Board, Mr. Salecha, Anjali Goyal ma'am, Purna Cherna ma'am, Priti Verma ma'am. I have been told that FA and COs have come from other railways also. All colleague officers from South Central Railway, friends from media, and all the family members of a great organization, Indian Railway. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I really feel privileged and I really feel proud that I got this opportunity to inaugurate this great building which has been created by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. I have been part of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited for 3 years, so I will not tell much about RVNL, but you can see the results. This building was sanctioned sometime in 2013, if I remember correctly, but the actual work started only in 2016 when the concept was developed and Rail Vikas Nigam Limited was involved with this project. In a very short span of 2 to 3 years, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited has delivered this project, and today all of us have seen This is called world-class infrastructure. All my compliments and congratulations to RVNL team, the architect and the contractor, the proprietor is here. And I also compliment entire South Central Railway team under the leadership of dynamic General Manager Mr. Gajanan Malia, without whose support this building would not have come up. This is a green building in real sense. 90% of the power requirement, that is around 250 kilowatt, is being generated from solar panels. That is a big achievement. And the 100% water is being recycled. Apart from other measures taken for low electricity consumption, ventilation, so that the air conditioning load is less, water harvesting. So the way this building has been conceptualized, really, it's an example which RVNL has set up today. We should follow it up. As it was mentioned, we have requested Rail Vikas Nigam Limited to help Indian Railway in developing a world-class infrastructure for our institute at Baroda, Nair and NRTU. The training is the most important component of any organization. Unless we develop our human resource, whether it is managerial level or supervisory level or technician level, no organization can really progress well. We have recognized this fact, and as far as training at managerial level is concerned, we have decided that our Rail University, for which Honorable Prime Minister has a vision that it should be one of the best university in the world, Rail University, Nair and all the CTIs, we are integrating in such a way that Rail University, Nair and these CTIs, they should be able to provide the best available training, a world-class training, the best available faculty, either through video conferencing or university will be able to hire some of the international faculties and they can bring them to India, or alternatively, we can send our officers to overseas universities. So it's a complete integrated package we are trying to design. The infrastructure is one of the most important component, because when you come for training, at least your mind should be relaxed, your body should be relaxed, and you should be in that state of affair where you can really grasp the training. So that is why infrastructure becomes important, and the way this institute has been developed, it proves that we have an organization like RVNL which can develop this type of institute, and I'm very sure that based on the experiences which have been gained in developing this institute, RVNL will be doing even much better work at Nair. Indian Railway Account Service is one of the very important services. In fact, this service, the officers from this service, they are taking care of the entire financial management, accounting system, and the performance and achievement of the entire Indian Railway depends on this department, and therefore I consider it very appropriate that Indian Railway Account Service has been able to get this institute, which is having a world-class facility. I congratulate all the officers of Indian Railway and especially officers from Indian Railway Account Services that due to hard work of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, we have been able to get this world-class infrastructure. I have already discussed creating an infrastructure is easy, but maintaining it is little difficult. So we have already discussed, and we will ensure that what RVNL has created today, down the line, it will be even much better than what it is today, and we will see that this campus is totally maintained in such a way that all the time it looks fresh and new. During the inspection, you might have seen that lot of green patches have been planned. All those greenery, they are yet to come. But once it comes, I can imagine within next 2-3 months, this institute is going to look even much better. So, at the end, once again, I congratulate the entire team of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, South Central Railway, our managers, our financial commissioner who has really taken pain to visit this institute many times, other officers from Railway Board who have been giving a lot of guidance and advice, our architect, and the most important, our contractor who can really create this infrastructure in a very time-bound manner. Jai Hind.
IRFM has come up magnificently due to commendable work rendered by the staff and officers of RVNL. I humbly request Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav ji, Chairman Railway Board, to present merit certificates and mementos to them as a token of appreciation to their contribution. As I call out the names, I request you all to please come from my left and please go down from the right. Shri B. Krishna Reddy, AGM RVNL. Shri Guda Srinivas, Senior DGM Projects RVNL. Shri Malayala Srinivas Rao, Senior DGM Finance RVNL. Shri V. Srinivas Rao, DGM Electrical RVNL. Shri RVSR Sharma, Manager RVNL. Shri Vinod Sundareshan, Assistant Project Engineer Civil RVNL. Shri Vasava Kumar, Manager Electrical RVNL. Shri MBSS Murthy, Manager SNT. This project has been possible because of the untiring efforts of the executing agency, Mrs. Brinda Infra Private Limited, Hyderabad. Now I request Shri Shrikant Reddy, Chairman Managing Director, to please come on to the dais to receive the memento and for the felicitation. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I request Shri Pradeep Gaurji, CMT RVNL, to felicitate Shrikant Reddy with a shawl. And I also request Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav ji to please present a merit certificate and memento to Shri Shrikant Reddy.
Sir, come here.
Ravi Singh, ED Projects RVNL, to propose the vote of thanks.
Nigam Limited, I convey my sincere thanks to Sri Vinod Kumar Yadav sir, Chairman Railway Board, for sparing his valuable time and gracing the occasion as chief guest and encouraging all of us. I also thank Srimati Manjula Rangarajan Madam, Financial Commissioner, and Sri Pradeep Kumar sir, Member SNT Railway Board, for sparing valuable time to grace the occasion. I sincerely thank Sri Gajanan Malaya, General Manager, South Central Railway, for his valuable support and gracing the occasion. Without the support of South Central Railway, this project could not have been come up so well. I also thank Sri Ram Kripal sir, CRS South Central Circle, for gracing the occasion. I convey my thanks to all the senior officers of Railway Board and other general railways for gracing the function, and I convey my heartfelt thanks to all the officers and staff of South Central Railway Headquarters and divisional officers for extending their continuous support, which made this institute a reality. I thank all the railway officers and staff present over here who has come all the way to attend this function and made a grand success. I also thank all the officers and staff of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, Sikandrabad, for their continuous support and persistent effort in shaping the international standard premium institute, Indian Railway Institute of Financial Management, for imparting quality training. I thank Srikanth Reddy, Chairman and Managing Director of Mercer Brunda Infra, for executing agency for putting magnificent effort. I also thank all the officers and staff who contributed their role sincerely in organizing and making a function a big success. I am very much thankful to the press and media team for extensive coverage of the function. Thank you to one and all. Jai Hind.